we're actually wired for connection. We're wired for love. We were made for peace and joy. What you're bringing up here is the social aspect of it, the community aspect of it, the relationship.
Just when we are children or babies, we are so dependent on attunement. We are so dependent on relationships. We are so dependent on our parents and our communities. So everything in us really wants that. And I think we also feel the pain when we feel separate from somebody, when we feel hurts being inflicted interpersonally. It's simply painful for everybody. And that's why I think what you said, we are also wired for peace. We are wired for attunement and to really feel each other, and we can do a lot to restore that, and I think also we can hold space for each other, because one thing that impairs attunement is trauma, is getting hurt. And I think we can create spaces where we can restore trauma, so that the flow between us getting bigger, and that we also expand that into the society.